Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my studio. This is Paint with Lovejoy. Thanks so much for joining me. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos. And if you're here for a second, third, or fourth time, thank you so much for coming back and getting creative.
Alright guys, this is going to be another fun painting for my beginners and first-time painters. This is inspired by the Kandinsky circles, but we're just doing hearts instead. So no traceable. What we're going to do first is divide the canvas, and I'm going to use a light orange. You can use a yellow, or you can even use a pencil for this. But we need to divide it vertically in half, and then we'll cut each of those in half so that way we have at least four columns across, and then we need 3 rows. So we're going to kind of go in thirds. There we go. And feel free, pause the video so that way you can kind of see the layout. If you're rather analytical and you want to actually measure stuff, go right ahead and do that. You can have more squares than this, or you can have fewer squares. Doesn't really matter. And as this moves along, I am going to switch to just music because I want you to strengthen your power of observation. There's not a whole lot of instruction that needs to happen for this. And this is just a great place to get colorful, play with colors, try different colors next to each other, get comfortable with your brush. I will have the colors kind of pop up just as an indicator, but I will switch over to music and just let you guys have fun. I'm really glad that you are painting. Hopefully you're doing this with somebody else and just kind of having fun, and maybe even giving this as a gift to somebody. This is a great project to do with kids or a group of people. So no matter what you guys paint, please send me pictures, email them, paintwithlovejoy@gmail.com, and just have fun. Any colors you want to do, you don't even have to do hearts. You could do circles, you could do other shapes. But this is just your space to be an adult kindergartner, be a 5-year-old, and just kind of have fun with the creative process. So I look forward to what you guys create. Thanks for hanging out, and let me know any questions and send me your final pictures. So enjoy.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the process of painting and I hope you are happy with how your paintings turned out. I'm really proud of you for getting creative. As you're uploading these to social media, please tag me at or hashtag paintwithlovejoy or email me your pictures, paintwithlovejoy@gmail.com. I really enjoy seeing them. I try to post them on social media to encourage other beginner painters to try the process of painting. But please share this with your community as well. Anybody who is kind of scared to paint, share your experience with them and let them know kind of how much you benefited from it and how much you enjoyed the process. So kind of share the fun. With that being said, if you have any comments, questions, feedback, things that you want me to paint in the future, please leave a comment. I try to respond to everybody as quickly as I can. And any of the future suggestions for paintings, I add that to my production list and get to them as quickly as I can. So in the meantime, please keep getting creative. Let me know how you're doing. And until next time, cheers.